how you can increase your Cash App limit to $7,500. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, open your Cash App and log into your account. Now tap the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down and tap on Limits. This is where you can see how much money you can send, receive, or cash out. To raise your limit, your account needs to be verified. So, Cash App will ask for your full name, your birth date, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. You must also be 18 or older to do this. Once you send that info, Cash App will review it. If everything is correct, your limit can go up to $7,500 per week. If you want more help, you can also go to the support section in the app and search for Increase Limits. And that's it. That's how you can increase your Cash App limit to $7,500.